Some startup tech companies in Lagos have been given the chance of a lifetime thanks to a group of investors. 9 entrepreneurs in need of capital have been selected as part of a business incubation hub. It's part of a drive to help enterprising youths create jobs for themselves instead of waiting around for them.
From education apps to online fashion and second-hand phones, these virtual startups are satisfying a growing need for more efficient products and services. And many of them are founded by young developers. 28-year-old Obafemi Onanuga and 23-year-old Tosin Ajibade set up a tech company, Obiwizi, 2 years ago. They operate out of the Lagos Garage, a shared working space sponsored by the accelerator program 440.ng.
4 years ago, my partner, co-founder, Obafemi Onanuga, he used to work out of Computer Village. Computer Village is arguably Nigeria's largest marketplace for gadgets. And then basically, Obafemi noticed that a lot of Nigerians needed to come all the way down to Computer Village when they wanted to get gadgets. So you even wanted to know the price of that stuff you wanted to buy, you would have to come all the way to Computer Village. So Obafemi was the guy who gives you regular price updates. So that's how it started.
Obiwizi is a one-stop online store for used gadgets, popular among Nigeria's tech-savvy population.
Obiwizi.com basically gives you quality used gadgets and assures you of quality, and plus we also give 1 to 6 months warranty.
It's funded by 440.ng, a joint venture between 88 MPH and Nigeria's Level 5 Lab.
I have been doing, through Level 5 Lab, have been doing startup investing and incubation for the last 4 years. We saw that there was value to startups in being able to write seed investing and support, but they needed a bit of a platform to have more scale in terms of being able to do more, have more impact.
Similar seed fund models are in operation in Cape Town and Nairobi in partnership with Google. 440.ng has been working with 9 startups since September.
We had over about 500 companies that applied, and we shortlisted to 30, and we met with 30 of them, and we found 9 that we felt had a strong enough team and a strong enough idea that we felt we could back, and we invested between $20,000 and $120,000 in each of them.
At the end of the 3-month accelerator program, startups have the chance to pitch their businesses here before investors. If their business models are sustainable, they could be bought on the spot or receive another equity injection. Investors believe Africa's economic future will be determined by the performance of entrepreneurs who walk out of programs like this one, empowered to change the business landscape. Aduria Chumba, Lagos.
Moving further abroad now, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's political gamble to call snap parliamentary elections in Japan appears to have paid off. Exit polls show that his party won with a landslide in Sunday's vote, but is this also a positive vote for his radical reforms?
Abenomics is here to stay. The Japanese Premier's Liberal Democratic Party and its alliance partner secured a 2/3 supermajority in the lower house election. Supporters of his reflationary policies are hoping the renewed mandate will give him more power to push ahead, and he's looking forward to the challenge.
I'm relieved that we have managed to continue our ruling coalition with the Komeito party, but at the same time this is also a great responsibility.
But his win doesn't mean the general public is giving him the thumbs up. Only 53% showed up to vote. Abe faces a string of economic challenges, chief among them the recession. Confidence among large manufacturers remains weak and firms expect conditions to worsen, but some remain optimistic.
The third arrow obviously is the one that everybody is watching, and as we know, it takes time. 4 years is a long time, but we're talking about 1, 2, 3 years for certain reforms to come through, and I think that gives him a strong mandate.
Even if Abe stays in power until 2018, he must tackle some unpopular policies such as the delayed sales tax hike. Many believe that's when his ability to revive Japan's deflation-ridden economy will be tested.
Our daily question and answer feature is up next. Stay with us.